So I'm going to, I did not use primer. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. Obviously I already have my eye makeup done. Now we're just going to proceed to the business of today, which is reviewing this foundation, the Nuban Beauty in My Skin foundation that I got a long time ago. I'm not sure why I've been keeping it for that long. I honestly don't know, but yeah, we're going to be reviewing it in this video. I got it in the shade C Adiche or W8. I went into the store to get this, so they matched me for my shade, and this was the one that I liked the most. It's a bit darker than my actual complexion, but I don't mind because my face is actually darker than my neck and chest, if you can see. So this foundation matches my face instead of my skin, and I don't mind because I would always highlight and contour, and that, you know, evens everything out. For the price point, I'm not exactly sure how much I got this now. I've forgotten, but I'm going to check and leave the price on the screen for you guys. So I'm going to, I did not use primer. Hold on. Let me quickly apply primer on my face. Back to application. I'm just going to use a brush first to apply this, distribute it all over my face, and then go in with the beauty blender. The foundation has a subtle smell to it. It's not a bad smell, but it's not nice as well. It smells like oil. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's not bad. It's just something that I noticed. It's a matte foundation, but it's not difficult to blend at all. It's blending out very nicely. I'm not mad at it at all. This is what my face looks like completely covered in the foundation, and I love it. I really like it. It's a matte foundation, like I mentioned. It dries quickly, but it's easy to blend, and it doesn't look cakey after it dries out. I can still see some of my skin glow from this foundation, which I really like. I also did not finish what I pumped out of my face to use, but I'm just going to go ahead and layer it on top of the first layer that I applied, just so that it doesn't waste. But I really don't need it after the first application, so yeah. This is my face after the second layer, and I still love it. It doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It just feels okay, it feels right. And I really like this foundation. I honestly do like it. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup in double quick time, and we'll come back for the finished look. Okay, I just remembered I said I was going to use a beauty blender to smooth out the foundation. Apparently I didn't need to do that, which in my books is a good thing. A lot of foundations need like extra push to be able to blend into your skin properly. The fact that I didn't need to do that with this one is a plus. My head under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me. This is the final look, guys. It's really beautiful. I love it. This is a foundation that I will continue to use, and I'll recommend it as well. It's a really great Nigerian brand. There are a lot of Nigerian brands that are doing really nice stuff now. If you have any other Nigerian brands that you want me to try, let me know in the comment section. But this is really great. I have a lot of Nuban Beauty products. I do have a lot of Nuban Beauty products. Maybe I'll do a full face Nuban Beauty makeup tutorial one of these days, but this is really good. I recommend that you get it if you are in the market for a new foundation, or you're just looking to switch things up in your routine. This is a really great Nigerian brand, and they are cost friendly too, so you'll not be losing much. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this product that I just used, let me know in the comment section, and I'll answer all of your questions there. If there are details that you wanted to know about the foundation that I didn't speak about in the video, let me know in the comment section as well, and I'll answer those. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.